In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request updates from users in Smartsheet. Requesting updates is a great way to keep your sheet accurate without giving everyone full editing access. Instead of chasing people in chat or email, you can send them a focused request so they only update exactly what you need. First, open your Smartsheet and locate the specific row you want someone to update. This might be a task, an issue, or any item that needs fresh information. Move your cursor to the far left side of that row. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots appear, often called the More or Row Menu button. Click on these 3 dots to open the row menu. This menu controls actions that relate only to that particular row, which is why it's the starting point for sending a targeted update request. From the row menu, look for the option that says Send Update Request and click on it. This tells Smartsheet that you want to ask someone to review and update the information in that specific row instead of the entire sheet. It's especially useful when you have many rows, but only 1 or 2 need attention from a particular person. A window will appear where you can define who you want to contact. In the email field, type the email address of the person you want to request an update from. You can usually add more than one email if multiple people need to respond, but be intentional so only the right people are notified. As you type, Smartsheet might suggest contacts you've used before, which can speed things up. Next, follow the on-screen prompts. Here, you can usually customize the subject line and message so the recipient understands what you need from them. This is a good place to explain any deadlines, clarify which fields are most important, or give quick context, like why the update is needed. Review any options about which columns are included or whether attachments and comments are visible. Taking a moment to set this up clearly helps the person respond accurately and quickly. Once you're satisfied with the recipient details and message, review everything one last time to make sure the right row and the right people are selected. When you're ready, click on Send. Smartsheet will email the update request and the recipient can open it, make their changes, and submit them without having to navigate the entire sheet. And that's all you need to request updates from users in Smartsheet.